Here we are. It's been a right pig. We gave the wing off. As you can see, it's all pop rivets all the way. We've got to where we want to do. I just got to make a one to go hold in there. Then I've got to panel that in. That's got to come off, but I'm not taking it off yet. It's going to be slow progress, and when I've done this, I've got to start repairing the wing, which is there, yeah, bit of a patchwork quilt, but I'm alright as long as I've got my shape and my measurements, so yeah, not bad. And that's it for today. It's 7 o'clock, I've had enough. And I'm going to go in now. I'm going to have something to eat, and might have a Guinness, I might have a lager, I might even have a whiskey. Anyway, next time you see me, it'll be in a few minutes. But for me, it's sayonara, good night. I'll see you later. Nearly there with the old quarter pan. Nearly there. A little bit more off the top there, flatten it out, but yeah, looking quite good, as is that side. Yeah, it's a little bit more there, look, a bit mould in there, then flatten it out. It's all about adding metal and taking it away, so you've got it right. So, and then it'll be starting on the wing. Can't do this bottom of the sill, drill the roots out and weld the spot weld it till that wheel arch is on. But yeah, that's another day. See you in a bit. Number 1. So far, looking good. A bit more grinding down to do. Have to cut this. It's solid stuff. I've had to cut it to find out what were there. Well, now I'll be rough with it. There's 2 rough of them all in there, so I can close them up now and start building this down here. And I'll see you in a bit. 2. As you can see, we're coming along. We've got that piece in there. I've just got to close this off. But there's a piece that goes from there to there, and I'm going to overlap it there. And then it comes along here, down to that piece. And then the part that holds the wing on is a flat piece that goes to there. So that's how we are. You can see with the amount of scrap what we've cut off. The rear wheel arch is being done. I made that arch, taking a bit of fitting, but they all do anyway. So, but yeah, the A-pillar's not looking bad. As soon as we get to seal the cabin and start to put this piece on here, we can put the bonnet on, and I can get something done with wing, and then we can start thinking where we're going to put the wing rail. So should be all nice and strong. So, but then again, that's what we wanted. So more progress. That's it. You can see over there, I've made me send some data points for when I do wing, so I can make it just the same. You see, that is good. Right, we'll see you later.